In today's fast-paced world, the concept of passive income has gained significant popularity as people seek financial freedom and flexibility in their lives. Passive income streams offer the opportunity to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort, allowing individuals to make money while they sleep. In this article, we'll explore the various ways to create passive income streams and how you can start building your own financial independence. Understanding passive income. Passive income is income that is earned with little to no ongoing effort or active involvement. Unlike traditional employment where you exchange time for money, passive income streams continue to generate revenue even when you're not actively working. This can include rental income, royalties, dividends, interest from investments, and income generated from online businesses. Types of passive income streams. Rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting out properties is one of the most common ways to generate passive income. Whether it's residential or commercial properties, rental income can provide a steady stream of cash flow each month. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn a portion of a company's profits regularly. As the company distributes dividends to its shareholders, you receive a passive income stream without having to actively manage the investment. Interest from investments. Bonds, certificates of deposit, CDs, and peer-to-peer lending platforms can all generate passive income through interest payments. By investing in these financial instruments, you can earn regular interest income without active involvement. Royalties. If you have creative talents such as writing, music, or photography, you can earn royalties from your work. This can include book royalties, music royalties, or licensing fees for your creative content. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. By building a niche website, blog, or social media presence, you can generate passive income through affiliate marketing. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, software, or stock photography can generate passive income. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional effort on your part. How to start building passive income streams. Identify your skills and interests. Start by identifying your skills, interests, and areas of expertise. This will help you determine which passive income streams are best suited to your strengths and preferences. Research and educate yourself. Take the time to research different passive income opportunities and educate yourself about the risks and rewards associated with each option. Read books, attend workshops, and seek advice from experts in the field. Start small and diversify. Begin by building one passive income stream and gradually diversify your portfolio over time. Diversification helps spread risk and ensures that you have multiple sources of income to rely on. Set clear goals and create a plan. Define your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Set specific, measurable, and achievable targets for each passive income stream and develop a strategy to reach your objectives. Take action and stay consistent. Take consistent action towards building your passive income streams. Whether it's investing regularly, creating content, or promoting affiliate products, consistency is key to long-term success. Monitor and evaluate your progress. Regularly monitor and evaluate the performance of your passive income streams. Track your income, expenses, and returns on investment, and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. Passive income streams offer the opportunity to achieve financial independence, create wealth, and live life on your own terms. By diversifying your income sources and taking strategic action, you can build a portfolio of passive income streams that generate revenue while you sleep. Start exploring passive income opportunities today and take the first step towards financial freedom and prosperity.